Why washing machine makes noise. Here are the 9 reasons. There are several reasons why a washing machine may make noise during operation. Here are 9 common reasons. 1. Unbalanced load. If the clothes inside the machine are not distributed evenly, it can cause the machine to shake and make noise. 2. Worn out parts. Over time, the moving parts of a washing machine, such as the drum bearings or belt, can wear out and cause noise. 3. Loose parts. The machine's motor or other components may become loose over time and create noise during operation. 4. Blocked drain pump. If the drain pump is blocked or clogged, it can cause the machine to make noise as it struggles to drain water. 5. Uneven surface. If the washing machine is not on a flat and stable surface, it may vibrate and make noise during operation. 6. Blocked pump filter. A clogged pump filter can cause the machine to make a rattling or buzzing noise. 7. Faulty motor.